to add ads.txt file to WordPress. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add ads.txt file to WordPress. If you have a WordPress site that displays ads, you can prevent fraudulent practices by using the add.txt file. It is the text file that allows you to publicly declare which companies are authorized to sell or resell advertisement space in your site. So follow these instructions from your WordPress dashboard. So first go ahead and sign into WordPress account, and after that on the left hand side menu select plugins and then add new, and in the search plugin bar enter the ads.txt manager and find the add.txt plugin by 10 up, and then select install now and then select activate. On the left hand side menu again select settings and then select ads.txt. Under the manager ads.txt you can create your ads text file by adding authorized sellers and resellers. Each of them should be on a separate lines and should include the following information like your domain name of the authorized sellers and your publisher ID and type of the relation, direct or resellers, and there should be an optional certification authority ID. And then when you see all these details, just go ahead and select save, and then verify your ads.txt file in the browser by adding /ads.txt at the end of your URL. And if the content is not visible or the page return 404 error, ensure that you have saved the file correctly in the ads.txt manager. Once you have successfully added the ads.txt file to your WordPress site, it is important to inform your advertising partners such as your Google AdSense about the update, and this will ensure that they have recognized your site as an authorized seller and prevent any disruption to your ad revenue. So this way you will be able to add your ads.txt file to your WordPress. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.